Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on future content. Omega-3 fatty acids help to decrease blood triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and may even help to decrease your risk of dementia. According to recent studies, the body needs essential fatty acids to function, both mentally and physically. Today, we're going to be covering omega-3s and the different ways to get the proper amount on the vegan diet. Let's dive into the lesson. The beneficial fats in omega-3s help the body burn fat, enhance brain functions, and speed up the metabolism. When you lack omegas in your diet, you increase the risk of arthritis, asthma, brittle nails, dandruff, depression, hair loss, heart disease, immune system deficiency, increased cholesterol levels, memory deficiency, mood swings, and reduced vision. All of these things do not sound pleasant to us, since it can be hard to predict what the body will go through. To help you get your fill of healthy vegan omega-3s, eat the following foods. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are notoriously high in vitamin C and K, as well as fiber, but they are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. A recent study found that eating more vegetables like Brussels sprouts can lower your risk of heart disease by 16%. While you can eat Brussels sprouts raw, it is better to cook them to get 3 times as many omega-3s. Hemp seeds. A lot of vegans and vegetarians are familiar with the protein content in hemp seeds. In addition to containing magnesium, iron, and zinc, hemp seeds have a hefty amount of omega-3s. You can sprinkle these in smoothies or make homemade trail mix with flax seeds and walnuts to boost your omega-3 count. Walnuts. Not only are walnuts loaded with protein and healthy fats, they also contain a lot of omega-3s. Research has shown that the omega-3s in walnuts may help improve memory and learning ability. 1 cup of walnuts can satisfy your daily omega-3 requirement. Chia seeds. The omega-3s, fiber, and protein in chia seeds may actually help decrease the risk of chronic disease. When consumed with a healthy diet, only 1 ounce of chia seeds can meet your daily omega-3 requirement. Flax seeds. It should be no surprise that these nutritional powerhouses also have omega-3s. In fact, the heart-healthy benefits of flax seeds can be attributed to their omega-3 content. 1 ounce of flax seeds has more than a daily recommended value of omega-3s, so start putting them on salads, in baked goods, or eat them as a snack. Omega-3s are yet another essential mineral for your body. You can get a copious amount with plenty of foods that are both delicious and compatible with the vegan diet. That's all for now, students. Tune in next week for another lesson of Vegan 101 powered by Dherbs.com.